Usap tayo. Look, pag nakikita mo si Bex sa school, mag-sorry ka. Okay? And after school, diretso ka dito sa bahay. Sasabihin ko sina Mama at Ninang na hindi ka na pwedeng lumabas. No toys and no TV. You're grounded.
So, Brianna, alam mo naman ang magiging consequences ng mga ginawa mo, di ba? You're grounded.
I'm sorry. Sorry, Ella, but you just have to learn to pay for your mistakes. You are grounded.
You're grounded! Okay?
Delikadong panahon ngayon, Clara. Hindi pa nahuhuli yung pamatay kay Dad. You're grounded. Phone. Hindi ka lalabas ng bahay hanggat hindi natatapos sa suspension mo.
Ganun ba? Well, sorry din. Dahil simula ngayong grounded ka na.
Akin na yung mga cellphones nyo. You both are grounded for 1 week. Kung magalit!
Nakita ko yung ginawa mo. Go to your room!
Pero Daddy...
Go to your room now! Kwarto ha, dito ka lang. You're grounded.